My name is Preeti Tatia from PTA Designs Private Limited, Bhopal. Today, I would be discussing our project, the Mango Tree House, which is across a plot area of 3000 square feet, located right here in E7 Arera Colony, Bhopal. The Mango Tree House is a project that is really close to our hearts and taught us many things while designing and executing it. The client belongs to a humble background and is into hotel industry of Bhopal from past many decades. They approached us with an idea to create a home that is really minimal and with basic requirements, that is well ventilated with lots of natural light and air. The plot is located in the corner and faces north and east, so the requirement was to create two independent units, one for the parents on ground floor and another on the first and second floor. The ground floor unit consists of two bedrooms along with kitchen, dining, living and utilities. The spaces are complemented with the green patches all around and window openings placed strategically to maximize daylight without allowing any heat gain. The facade is an art piece in itself, brick being an earthy material, which was again a consideration since we wanted to keep the house appearance humble, has been used with steel structure, louvers and jalis. These brick jalis, louvers and glass openings create an outer skin of the house that gives privacy to the internal spaces and also a visual treat of the tree wrapped in. The mango tree is the trigger and inspiration for this facade. Keeping the tree alive was the utmost important aspect throughout this project. So we really wanted the sun to come in, let the tree breathe and precipitate. The roof has a huge opening that will allow the tree to grow further. Since the client was really keen on minimalism, we tried to keep it as simple and basic as possible. Even the smallest of details are not flashy, so to carve out these spaces, we used a basic mood board for the entire house. A color palette of fawn and greys has been used all throughout the interiors, with just few walls done in exposed white brick to add a subtle contrast. The woods are kept in its natural feel and texture across the dining, living, and bedrooms as well. The flooring option was not chosen from the conventional tiles or marble. We explored various natural stones to keep the harmony of an earthy character intact. The challenges that we faced during this project was the existing mango tree on the site. We as architects and interior designers really want to be very sensitive towards the site and the environment, and hence we wanted to save it along with the client, which really helped us to design the residence including the tree. For connectivity between the floors, we wanted to have an independent staircase. Placing it externally was the best possible option. With few experiments and discussions, we decided to wrap it around the tree itself. Since the tree was full grown and in its natural shape, we designed a steel staircase which was easier to do due to the tree's alignment and would have not been possible to be done in RCC structure. This literally created a space in itself with a beautiful feeling of stairs enveloping a tree, and you climb it as you travel between the floors.